In second place, we have Amir Mahmood and Varal Ghaffar, Gerard Ghaffar, joint second place. And in first place, we have Amir Mahmood. For the prepared speech competition, in third place we have Hisham Kapoor. In second place we have joint second place with Isaz Mahmood and Amir Mahmood. And in first place we have Nuruddin Jahanpur. For the extempo speech competition, in third place we have Hisham Kapoor. In second place we have Yasir Khan. And in first place we have Raza Mirza and Izaz Mahmood. Raza Mirza hai? Then for the Nazm competition, in third place we have Arman Qamar. In second place we have Gerard Ghaffar. And in first place we have Izaz Mahmood. The Azan competition, in joint third place we have Vishal Kabir and Izaz Mahmood. In joint second place we have Arman Qamar, Hisham Kapoor, Amir Masood and Amir Mahmood. And in first place for Azan is Gerard Ghaffar.